Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change or customize message product has been added to your cart in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to change this message and we are using WordPress latest version. Now you see 6.7.1 and we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. On left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. And then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type for your snippet. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section, open. And then you can add title, then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see add filter, custom add to cart message. And then you see product has been added to your cart, thank you. So this is our updated message. So you can customize this message according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So this is our new code. Now go to product page and refresh the page. So after that we are going to add product again. And then you see add to cart button. So click on it. And then you see message change. Product has been added to your cart, thank you. So this is a new message. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.